How's it, guys? Kobus here, our camper dream. Yes, doing floors today. I had to take the benches out to do the floor, and yeah, this is the look I'm going for. Yeah, I think what I'm going to do, I'm gonna put a little bit of that expanding foam in here because it's as if it's got a little bit of a gap there. Unfortunately, the floor of the van is not level. It's like a zinc plate. So to get it 100% level at the top, you need to do some stuff on the bottom. And on top of this comes a 6mm floor, like there at the back. You can see the floor there. So that really makes it basically unbendable. And on top of that, the Novilon. So yeah, please like and subscribe. Our camper dream, it's getting on. The walls here is done. There it's done. There it's done. It's almost done there. And yeah, that's what I'm busy with now. I'm getting stuck now. I have to do the floor so that I can put the benches fast, and then I can work on the electrical stuff, which now looks again like this. So yeah, challenges, but yeah, it's all good. Thank you, guys.